Don't you dare take those heels off. Hi, I'm Delandis and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am talking about heels today, and I want to let you guys know that you should never take your heels off in public. Yes, that's right. Don't you ever take your heels off in public. If you feel you need to take those things off, you better get someone to carry you or go to a grocery store and get one of those scooters, but don't you take your heels off. So I am here to offer 5 tips to get you back on your feet. I know you guys have all had a night out, especially you ladies, where you're out dancing and you're having such a great time and it's towards the end of the night and you're tired. You're drunk, you can barely stand up, and you want to take those heels off in that nasty club on that nasty floor. No. I've seen too many girls do this in a club. Number 1, just sit down. Just sit down. If you feel that you need to take those things off, sit down. Because at the end of the day, you put that thing together, you've worked so hard, you've done your makeup, you have on this fabulous outfit, and then you have your shoes off. So sit down, take a break, take a breather. Number 2. Now, I really hesitate saying this because my motto is, if you don't have at least 6 inches on, I'm not interested. But wear lower heels. Wear something that you feel that's going to be comfortable, that complements your outfit, that's still beautiful, that's still gorgeous, that still gives you a nice line. Wear lower heels if you feel that you're that type of person that by the end of the night you want to come out of those things. Or you may want to wear a heel that has a thicker heel on it. Okay, it gives you a little more balance. You don't have to rock as much in those thicker heels. Number 3, a lot of the pain comes from the ball of your feet. If you are wearing a closed toe shoe, you can always put some support. I always recommend wearing support, especially if you're going to be out dancing. And you know, a lot of those shoes, a lot of those stilettos aren't made to be danced in. So you have to wear something that cushions the ball of your feet, because I think, especially for me, that's the first thing that goes. And if you are wearing heels that don't have a platform on them, you're really gonna feel the work on those balls of those feet. So I would cushion your feet, put some orthotics in them, do something if you're wearing closed toe. If you're not, I guess you're on your own. Number 4, just leave early. Hey, get out of there. If you don't feel good, if your feet are burning, if your feet are hurting, just leave, go home. It's okay if you leave 30 minutes early because you're tired, because you're exhausted. Look, you look beautiful, you look fierce, and you don't want to leave that club walking on that nasty floor and that nasty road with your shoes in your hand. It means that you've had a rough night, and you probably did, but you don't want people to know that. So just leave. And number 5, okay, I talk about this in my classes. You want to distribute that weight. And what I mean by that, and I tend to use this when I dress up and I go out, like for Halloween, I used this technique. Distribute that weight. That means use those hips a little more. The more you swivel those hips, the more you take that weight off that one leg for a tiny millisecond. Okay, so use those hips, sit a little deeper, you look a little fiercer, and nobody would ever know that your feet are killing you. I actually went out for Halloween in my 6-inch stilettos, peep toes, platforms, not really much support, and I was walking, having such a great time, and we were walking to the car, and by that time my friend was like, we need to jump into an Uber, and I was like, come on, I can do it. I was walking miles and miles in those shoes because I was feeling myself, I was feeling good, but I was ready to go another mile because I was sitting to that hip looking fabulous, feeling good. Yeah, so listen. It's so fun to look beautiful. It's so fun to put on those stilettos, but keep them on, okay? Keep them on, don't take them off. It's not cute. So let's review our 5 tips. Number 1, just sit down, take a break. Hey, it's okay if you take a moment, right? Yes. Number 2, wear something lower. Wear a lower heel, it's okay. Or wear something thicker. Number 3, wear some cushion in those shoes so they have great support. Number 4, just leave. I'm done, I'm going home. Tell your friends, it was nice, I had a great time, these dogs are barking, I need to go home. And number 5, look fierce, keep moving, stay confident, distribute that weight, move those hips, and it'll get you through the night. hey, I hope you guys had a great time with this video. It was meant to be fun and hopefully helpful at the end of the day. But listen, go out, have a great time, always be safe. I love you guys. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel and press that bell notification so that you get any notifications for videos that I may upload. I love you guys. Mwah. See you next time.